Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, here it is going down. You know, one thing about the social media, you really don't have to be faking it to make it, because Sana, you will be left alone in trouble while you are trying to impress other people, so in today's video, guys, I have different topics for you today. We are going to be talking about Umel Nopit Faljowen. I'm really not sure about the pronunciation, but it's the famous couple that got arrested in the US. And then we are also going to be talking about Usne Nhlanhla wakwaMseleko Sana, the very famous Usne Nhlanhla. We are going to be talking about her today, and then we are going to be talking about uMusa Mseleko. So uMusa Mseleko noSne, we are going to unpack nje those topics at the end, towards the end of the video. So firstly, guys, let's talk about Umel Nopit Faljowen. Yeah, you'll excuse me there on the pronunciation. So this is a couple that it's a famous South African couple, famous but not that famous, because Minasana, it's my first time hearing about them. So Ugel got famous during Abo House of the Real Housewives of Pretoria. I really didn't even know what there's a Real Housewives of Pretoria, guys. I only know Real Housewives of Johannesburg, ne Real Housewives of Cape Town. I guess maybe I'm not following these shows, but Ucho Girl was on the show is the Real Housewives of Pretoria. That's how they got famous. Yeah, nani husband yake Upit. So the couple moved to the US. Ne? They moved to the US to start afresh, start their new life. But Kelly, she was even doing interviews, Sana, before she left. Ukuthi, hey, South Africa, and this Bondi Appa, I have better plans for myself. Sharp, the couple moved to the US. Ne? Kuthiwa Sana, the couple was arrested for shoplifting. Imagine moving to the US just for you to get arrested for shoplifting. The couple allegedly got arrested for shoplifting. Kuthiwa the couple, most US is more advanced, ne? In terms of technology and other things. So in the US, they have the system yokuthi when you are buying groceries, you are it's self-service, ne? You just go there nje and uyazisiza nje, uyatapha laphiyana igrocery yakho, and then you pay and then you leave. So the couple kuthiwa ke yazi abanye abantu kuthiwa they would scan items that are cheaper, ne? They would scan items that are cheaper. So the woman, Umel would scan the items that are cheaper, and then they would pay for those items that are cheaper, and then take the items that are more expensive and not pay for them. You are probably wondering, Guti, how did they not see them? Allegedly, the husband, Upit would distract the workers there, try to have a conversation with them, knowing very well that he doesn't want them to see the wife that is busy stealing there. So the wife would be scanning those cheaper items, pay for the cheaper items, and then they mix them up with the expensive items, and then they leave. Ne? Sharp. So Kesana, they eventually got caught. Kuthiwa they have been doing this for allegedly 6 months. And the whole groceries combined, Zenza, close to 88,000 rands, guys. Like, I don't understand. Bahambele in South Africa labantu laba. Why would you move to a different state without any plan? Like, bengicabangan, and when they were questioned Gesan about this, Ugel was like, no, we only started doing this because we didn't get Ugel Uti, she couldn't get any job in the US because she doesn't have a visa. So I'm asking myself, what was the plan, guys, as you guys were moving that side? What was the plan? Now you are trending that you got arrested for shoplifting. Imagine 88,000 rands worth of groceries. Hakuningi sana. In other news, guess, and someone on Twitter posted, ne? Posted ukuthi she's pregnant again, hey, and the comment section went wild. So people in the comment section were like, hey Bosana, who are you talking about? Are you talking about Usne or Rihanna? Because at this point, those are the two people that we know ukuthi nje bayakhiqiza abadlali bayakhiqiza. I don't know why they didn't even include Cardi B, because naye girl naye. But ke sana, in my opinion, it's better to khiqiza while you know that you have money, you can afford those babies. It's better to have those babies knowing that you are independent, man. Even if the baby daddy can just, try to springbok you, you can be able to afford those kids without any other problems. Can't say the same about Usne. Sana, I cannot say the same about Usne. So yeah, the person that posted ukuthi she's pregnant again, as people were asking in the comment section, ukuthi, is it Usne? Is it Usne or Rihanna? She replied and said both. So manje ngiyazibuza, guys, uRihanna uphindile futhi? Not that I'm judging Sana, not that I'm judging. She's more richer than me. I know that she can afford those kids, but kuningi. Kuningi sana kuningi. EyakaSne ingishaqile nje nayo, ngishaqekile guys, ngishaqekile. And she is really pregnant uSne, because I've been seeing videos nje. Futhi she has given birth because they took le content yabo yeThando Nesithembu sometime last year. Hayi. Hayi sibulala nge-heart attack. USne nje ugijimisa uRihanna la emuva, and uRihanna is financially stable. uRihanna can afford. I don't know what uSne is thinking. And kuthiwa ke allegedly sana, abantwana bakaSne bonke, they are all firstborns kubo bababo. Ama-firstborn, like uSne, ula, une-plan. She has a vision, girl. She has a vision. Mangikhula nje ngifuna ukufana nayo. Anyway, guys, on our last topic, we are talking about Mr. Mseleku. Musa Mseleku, why are you stressing me like this? Uyangistressa. So, guys, I made a previous video, unpacking it all. Ukuthi they went to a retreat, this and this and this and that. So Musa Mseleku took his wives to a retreat. Bekunane therapist laphiyana, they were trying to solve their issues, vent, and do all those things. Tell me, why is this guy saying ukuthi, okay, umacele while they were doing lama activities lawa they were doing retreat, girl started crying, ne? When Angisho, you were supposed to paint a canvas, and then you explain the canvas to the therapist. So Ugyal started crying, right? And then Musa Mseleku was just, there comforting her. Oh, how Musa Mseleku kuma-diary sessions ke sana uthi, Macele has made a lot of sacrifices for this family. Okay, yes, we do acknowledge that Ugyal has made a lot of sacrifices for the family. But also, guys, let's acknowledge others, Pela. She did not do this alone. Now, when they went through a lot, But because she's the first wife, Kesotin, sharp. How? And then Musa goes on to say, she is everything that I need. She is a whole package. So I don't have any complaints about her. He emphasized on Ute. Macele is a whole package. I have no complaints about her. She's everything that I need. She is supporting me. She has done what she came here to do. Wara. She has children. She is everything. Uphelele. And she has children. Like the emphasis on she has children. I feel like this season is just Musa Mseleku ahlale la kumakhumalo sana. Musa Mseleku uhlele la kumakhumalo. Why do you have to emphasize ukuthi she has children? Okay, ngabe uthi Macele, I love her, she supports me, sharp. Why did you have to include ukuthi she has children? Phela all the other wives have children except for Makhumalo. Like why wenza kanje omunye umntwana? I really feel for Makhumalo. I'm at this point like sana. The depression that I would be going through. And manje ngisho vela kakaboni. But nje sana, the depression that I would be going through. Phela obviously I know mina yimi kuphela onganamntwana. All the other wives have children. Now you are saying things like that and putting an emphasis on she has children. She's everything that I need. Uphelele. Uyenzile into ayizele la ekhaya. Whew. Amadoda, amadvodza. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. My camera nje flashlight just went off. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.